50 resumes, 5 agents, 1 ranked shortlist, done in the time it takes to refill your coffee, a week of analyst work on 50 S&P 500 stocks, finished while you read this sentence. And the bill for all of it came in about 10 times cheaper than you'd guess. Here's what's wild. None of this ran on one genius model doing everything. It ran on a swarm of cheap ones, with one smart one calling the shots. Hi, I'm Julia, and I read every comment on this channel. Today, I'm showing you the setup that lets one person do a whole team's work. By the end, you'll see 5 real jobs run start to finish, and you'll know exactly why it costs a fraction of what you'd expect. So here's the thing nobody building with AI wants to admit. The best models are also the most expensive and the very best tier. You often can't even touch it. Quick honesty check, because this channel doesn't do hype. You've maybe heard people say, Claude's Fable model got banned. That's not really the story. The honest version is simpler. Fable 5 isn't available on Abacus right now, but here's the thing. You don't need it. Abacus already gives you the top models. Opus 4.8 and GPT 5.5. Plus the cheap open source ones underneath. The whole idea is you fuse what you've got, which leaves you with a choice that used to be brutal. Pay premium prices on every single task or settle for weaker output. This system found a third road, and it's kind of obvious once you see it. The architecture has a name, Agent MapReduce. Don't let the term scare you. It's simple. One planning agent sits at the top running an elite model. It takes your request and breaks it into pieces. Then it hands each piece to a worker agent. And those workers? They run on lean open source models, cheap ones, DeepSeek, Gemma, and Kimi. The workers attack every piece at the same time, in parallel. The planner waits, collects everything they send back, merges it, strips the duplicates, and hands you one clean result. Expensive brain for the thinking, cheap muscle for the heavy lifting. That split is the whole trick, and it's where the 10 times savings comes from. Demo 1 of 5. Bug fixes across a giant code base. Let's watch it work. A developer points the agent at FreeCodeCamp, one of the biggest open source repositories on the planet. One instruction: find the accessibility problems and fix them. The planner clones the repository, maps it, and carves it into separate areas: navigation, settings, profile pages, landing, and footer. Then it sends a worker into each one at the same time, every agent hunting for the same kind of bug in its own corner. They come back. The planner merges everything, applies only the safest fixes, and hands over line-by-line diffs, an audit report, and a list of what it chose to change. A whole crew of agents, one pass, work that would eat a developer's whole day. And the workers ran on the cheap models, so it barely cost anything. Demo 2 of 5. Code review with auto-generated PRs. Same engine, totally different job. Code review. The agent pulls the last 10 pull requests and sends a worker in for each one, all reviewing in parallel. And they don't just leave comments. They open follow-up PRs with fixes, post the review notes, and the generated code passes the CI checks. 1 verdict came back, changes requested, 1 major, 2 minor, the refactor's clean, but the tests are in the wrong place. That's senior engineer feedback. 10 PRs reviewed in 1 pass, and it fixed them instead of just flagging them. Demo 3 of 5. Ranking 50 resumes. Now hiring. 50 resumes sitting in a Google Drive folder for a QA engineer role. Before it even starts, the agent stops and asks you smart questions. Mask the names. How do you want the ranking weighted? What columns do you need? That pause matters. It's not guessing what you want, it's checking first. Then 5 workers grade 10 resumes each, and you get a ranked CSV with masked IDs for bias-free review, scores, strengths, weak spots, and links back to every resume. A full day of resume reading, compressed into a coffee break with the bias stripped out. Demo 4 of 5. Equity research 50 S&P stocks. Okay, this is the one I keep thinking about. An investor asks for an analysis of the top 50 S&P 500 stocks. and a 10-stock portfolio built for a $10,000 investment, 3-year horizon, and moderate risk. Again, it clarifies first. Growth or value tilt. Sector rules. How should it split the money? Then 5 workers research 10 companies each, all at once. Financials, moats, catalysts, risks, valuation. The planner pulls all 50 analyses into one portfolio, allocations per stock, and expected 3-year return range, a sector breakdown so you're not over-concentrated, and a full PDF report, more than 10 pages, with the reasoning for every pick and every cut. Weeks of analyst work done in minutes through a chat box. That's the moment it clicked for me that this isn't a toy. Demo 5 of 5, Play Store review mining. Last one, and it's the one product people will love. A product manager says, read the top 100 Play Store reviews and tell me the 10 things to build next. 3 workers split the job by lens. One finds the recurring themes. One pulls real user quotes with the feeling behind them. One turns all of it into a ranked build this next list. What comes out is a full product report, sentiment by star rating, what users love, the pain points ranked by how often they show up, and a top 10 roadmap with the one move that stops the most people from churning. Here's the through line on all 5. Same architecture every time, smart planner, cheap workers, all running in parallel, and an output you can actually use, a PR, a CSV, a PDF. Not a wall of text you still have to do something with. So here's where I get on my soapbox for a second. The people who win the next couple of years aren't the ones with the biggest AI budget. They're the ones who figured out how to get expert level work without paying expert level prices on every task. That's the whole game right now. One person, the right system, output that used to need a team. If you felt stuck being the bottleneck in your own business, this is the kind of thing that gets you out. If you want to try this yourself, Abacus AI's link is in the description. Go run one of these on your own messy folder of work and watch what comes back. And if you're a founder who wants this built into the actual business, running for real and not just shown off in a demo, that's what my team does at First Movers. Links below if you want us to build it with you. If you'd rather learn to do it yourself, AI Labs is where I teach the whole thing, hands-on. That's the setup. One brain, a swarm of cheap hands. Work that used to take a team. Go see what you can point it at. See you down the next rabbit hole. I'm not Julia. I'm her digital avatar. Built from her voice, her brain, her 9 books, her 13 years of real-life business building.
So a month before my crash, not knowing at all what was on the horizon, I built a clone.
While she's out doing the human work, serving First Movers clients, healing, actually living, I'm here every day because the new developments in AI don't stop, and somebody has to bring you the signal in the noise. So here's the deal. You get the cutting-edge AI and tech news, broken down by the actual founder of First Movers. No hot takes, no hype. The business application that the news cycle missed. I lead you into the future in 2 ways. AI Labs is the school, a monthly subscription where you learn to build this for yourself. Marketing automation and cloning masterminds are our done-for-you services, where I build it for you. Go to firstmovers.ai to learn more.